Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this skincare from MixEasy. Now they did send me this for review, so that is exactly what we're going to do. I was super pumped about this because I actually do make some of my own skincare. I do make some of my own face stuff. I don't sell it, I just make it for myself at this point. But the idea of a company that does other things, some of the creams, is because I don't really make cream face care for myself. I'll use like pure oils and stuff like that. So I was super pumped about this, very excited, and it's really easy to do. All you do, and I'll go ahead and show you that too, you go to the website, click on what you're looking for, if it's face or hair, and then you select the product that you're looking for, and you click on it, and then you click the items, the ingredients that address your skincare, and add that to it. Up to 5 you can pick, and then you customize the name, put whatever name you want. I put my name because I just want something with my name on it that I didn't actually print and label myself. And you submit the order, purchase it, whatever. That's it. Very easy, very simple, very quick, and I had no problems doing it. Very easy. So let's go ahead and see how it is packaged. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the box. And let's open it. So first off, packaged very nicely. Beautiful wrapper and all of that. So let's see what the inside has going on here. Okay, so we have the eye cream right here and the face mask. I want to smell them because, I mean, you know, that is necessary. So I got the face mask for combination skin because my skin is very combination. T-zone tends to be a little bit more oily but still dry. The rest of my face is more on the dry side. And then I got the eye cream for dry eyes because I tend to be really dry in this area. So it was great to get that combination because usually when you get your skincare it's either or, not really both. So that was a bonus for me. So I am going to open these and see what they smell like, because smell is so important when it's on your face. So this is what the eye cream looks like. See that? Let's smell that. So I don't really smell much of a smell to this, which I think is great because you don't want a heavy scent, especially if it's around your eyes. To me, it kind of has like the baby lotion smell to it, but very faint. But it is nice. So let's go ahead and see what the other smells like and looks like. Okay, so this is the face mask. This is what I am going to be using in the evening. Okay, so it does come sealed, which, of course, perfect. Okay, this is what it looks like. Nice thick cream. These thick creams like that is what you want when you're putting on a night mask, or you want deep hydration. You want that creamy look. And it has a beautiful scent to it. It almost smells like coconut in it. I kind of like that. Okay, let's see what that feels like. Okay, this is a nice thick, I don't know if you can see that. Let me put a little bit more on my hand just so you can see it. Okay, do you see how it's like a nice cream? It's not like super watery and stuff. For night mask, you really don't want it watery. This is a really beautiful texture. I'm like really pumped about this. So I'm gonna go use these for a couple weeks. And I say a couple weeks because I want to see how well it performs on my skin. I want to see, 2 weeks isn't long enough to see like long-lasting results. 2 weeks is going to really tell me, does it irritate my skin and how does my skin react to it, and if I feel like it performs well. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this for a couple weeks and then I'm going to come back and tell you about my experience. Alright, so I am back to talk more about MixEasy's eye cream and face mask here. So I didn't really talk too much about why I picked the ingredients that I picked before. So I do want to talk about that before I go into depth about my experience of using this product. Now I did end up using it about 3 or 4 weeks instead of just 2. So I have a much better perspective, opinion formed about it. So for the face cream, I picked 5 ingredients, and I picked it because my face itself is combination, and even though you guys don't know it, my skin is extremely sensitive, so using the wrong products can break my skin out. Now this company does have 3 base products that they use for each it's like a base mix that they use in order to mix it for your particular skin type. There's a base for oily skin, a base for dry skin, and a base for combination skin, and then you pick ingredients to tailor it toward your particular skin issues. Now when talking about bases, I do want to say this because I do make my own soaps and stuff, so I can tell you that bases are really good. You know, some people might think, well, that's not really that custom. No, that's not true. There is a particular combination recipe that I like to use for my soaps just because I find it very moisturizing and nutritious and all that wonderful stuff on my skin. And when I change just a few ingredients, it changes the entire bar. For instance, like if I add honey, it just makes it much more nourishing. Or maybe I add something like, maybe just an essential oil. It just changes the whole thing. So it is still very, very custom, even though there are base ingredients for it. And then, so like for the face one, I picked the combination one, the face mask. I picked the combination because my face is combination, and the stuff that I had in it is the calendula extract, and that's for calming sensitive skin, which is me. Then the propolis extract, which nourishes and softens, because I want my skin to be soft like a baby butt. And then I picked floral nectar, which prevents first signs of aging, because that is happening in my life. And was it Akina? I don't know. I can't pronounce some of these words because it minimizes pores, because like this area right here, I have really large pores, which means this area in my T-zone has been oily, especially in my youth. Not so much now, but I don't like the big pores. And then the mullein flower, because it deeply nourishes, and that's what I chose for this. Now for the eye cream, I picked cucumber extract because it depuffs the eyes. I picked floral nectar because again prevents first signs of aging. Evening primrose because it's anti-aging. Calendula extract because it calms sensitive skin, and propolis extracts because it nourishes and softens. Now for the base of this one, I did pick dry because my eye area tends to be drier than the rest of my face, especially right here. So I wanted combination for the whole face, very dry for the eyes, and that is what I did. And let me show you this because I don't want anyone to question the fact that I actually tried it. But you can see there, I have been digging away at this moisturizer, and it has worked wonders for my skin. I really, really like it. I was trying to place the scent earlier, or in the beginning of this video, and the scent really to me is more of a honey smell. So yeah, honey smell. So the face cream did everything that I expected to do and then some, and I felt it like really deeply hydrate, which was exactly what I wanted it to and exceeded my expectations there. Now the eye cream, I busted the lid a little bit here, but that's okay. The eye cream here, I was super thrilled about because normally I do not expect a lot of reduction in the fine line appearance around my eyes. I did see some reduction in the fine lines around my eyes, so I was super impressed by that. did not irritate my eyes. That's a huge thing because a lot of eye creams do irritate my eyes, especially those with ingredients that tightens and firms. Because of the sensitive nature of my eyes and my skin, those products tend to not only burn my eyes, sometimes give me rashes under my eyes. And this did not have that whole tightening, irritable anything in it, so this really was a wonderful experience for me. I highly recommend going to MixEasy if you have a hard time finding skincare products that work for your skin. I'm not saying other brands aren't great, but the fact that like you can tailor make your skin care to your exact skin needs is a huge deal, and I don't know why you wouldn't do it. So anyways, that is it of this video. There is a code, so if you would like to purchase this and receive a discount, I will have that code listed on the screen as well as down below in the description with the link, of course. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.